Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to reset Word settings. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, go on the search bar and type Registry Editor. Now, click on Open. You will see a black screen. Now, click on Yes. Okay. From here, go on H key current user right over here on left side and click on this drop down arrow. Now under H key current user, open software. Now look for Microsoft. As you can see, here's Microsoft. Now open it. Now under Microsoft, find Office. Now here's Office. Open it. Now under Office, open 16.0 right over here. Open it. Now under 16.0, find Word folder and click on it. Right click with your mouse and click on delete. Click on yes. Okay, now close the registry editor and reopen Microsoft Word on your computer. Okay, as you can see, its settings is resetted. So that's it for the video. That's how you can reset Microsoft Word settings. Thanks for watching.